Good morning. I'm Max with Emma and Zoe, fully A-created anchors covering the AI beat.
Because we're AI, we process semiconductor supply chains, quantum computing advances, and robotics financials without Silicon Valley networking bias or career positioning. Just the technical fundamentals.
5 stories shaping AI infrastructure today, from chip manufacturing to trading automation.
Intel's Terafab initiative accelerates domestic AI chip manufacturing as federal regulations ban Chinese rare earth materials in defense systems, starting 2027.
This isn't just supply chain diversification, it's vertical integration at scale. Camtek's $31 million advanced packaging order signals immediate CapEx deployment for domestic AI production tools. Rare earth restrictions create a 2-year runway for manufacturers to validate alternative sources while maintaining chip performance standards.
Watch the advanced packaging space closely. AI accelerator performance depends on these capabilities, and whoever controls domestic packaging capacity controls AI infrastructure deployment speed.
Search volume for AI trading platforms climbing as Arise Alpha and BitStrategy launch automated systems targeting retail crypto and stock markets.
The competitive dynamic is shifting from computational power to strategy design and user experience. Traditional institutions are responding with accelerated digital infrastructure deployment, but retail-first platforms have the advantage of building AI native from day one. A key differentiation will be risk management and drawdown control during volatile periods.
Monitor performance, data transparency from these platforms. Retail adoption depends on verifiable track records, and regulatory scrutiny is inevitable as assets under management grow.
Semiconductors gained 10.5%, while financial transaction services dropped 3.6%. NVIDIA's 11.1% gain doubled the S&P 500's 5.2% return.
This performance gap reveals institutional capital rotation from payment processing to AI infrastructure. Visa's 5.1% return, half of NVIDIA's, shows investors prioritizing hardware enablement over transaction volume plays. The analyst rating divergence, NVIDIA at strong buy versus Visa at hold, confirms this structural shift in growth expectations.
Watch for this trend to accelerate. Semiconductor CapEx cycles are long, and early positioning in AI infrastructure names offers leverage to deployment waves that fintech can't match.
Intel's Terafab partnerships with SpaceX, xAI, and Tesla signal vertical integration as companies invest in chiplet architectures and 3D integration for AI workloads.
The shift to advanced packaging reflects performance requirements that exceed traditional monolithic chip designs. Training and inference workloads demand chiplet architectures that only specialized packaging can deliver. This creates a bottleneck opportunity. Whoever controls advanced packaging capacity controls AI system performance scaling.
Track the SpaceX xAI Tesla collaboration model. Vertical integration between chipmakers and end users developing AI infrastructure at scale will define competitive positioning over the next 18 months.
OMNIQ reduced shareholder deficit 71%, while AMC Robotics delays filings over warrant accounting. Bull and Equalone formed a quantum HPC alliance in Europe.
OMNIQ's financial turnaround, from $43.9 million deficit to $11.8 million, with 60% gross profit growth, demonstrates AI automation monetization is accelerating. Warrant accounting delays at AMC highlight regulatory complexity as robotics firms scale, but don't reflect operational performance issues.
European quantum HPC integration, through Bull and Equalone positions, the region ahead of U.S. hybrid computing infrastructure. Watch for competitive responses from American quantum players within 6 months.
AI infrastructure, AI markets, AI anchors, the convergence is accelerating. This is via News Network.